Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Before starting today's vlog, please subscribe to Joy of Being a Homemaker and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any notification whenever I upload a video. Thank you. Today I am going to show you how we celebrated our son's 3rd birthday. Before starting the preparations, the first thing I like to do is to make a list of all the things I need to do and I need to purchase for the party and menu for the party. Coming to the menu, I prepared samosa chaat, dal makhani, malai kofta, roti frozen that I got from the Indian store, tomato rice, raita and salad. And here I am writing down the things I need to do beforehand, like soaking chana for the samosa chaat, preparing idli and dosa batters for the breakfast for the whole week, soaking dals for dal makhani, preparing gravy, cleaning the kitchen and remaining things that I need to do on that day. I have a habit to pen down each and every little thing on a paper because when we have a lot of things in our mind, we tend to forget. When we have everything on a paper, the chances to forget things are less. And a tip for you, if you are a person that forget things when shopping, write down the items on a sticky paper and stick that onto the key holder like I do. Or if you are not a pen and paper person, then store them onto your phone directly. In that way, we spend less time on window shopping on busy days like this, and we also tend to spend less money when we know what things we need. And after that, I stick the menu and to-do things on my kitchen back wall so that it will be easy for me to see what all things I need to cook. This was day before the birthday party. I woke up at around 7 in the morning. I prepared the breakfast and dropped my son and husband off at school and office. And I came back and cleared the kitchen, cleaned all the dishes and mopped the floors and started on a load of laundry. I did not record doing all this because I don't want to bore you guys with showing the same things. As I already have few videos on my channel on how I do my daily chores, I'll leave the link for you guys in the description box below. As I was busy in all the preparations, I thought of doing an easy lunch, so I prepared lemon rice. After I am done with the lunch preparations, I have changed the bed sheets and after that I went and picked my son up from the daycare, and as my husband's office was on the way, I dropped lunch for him. While coming back home, I stopped at the grocery store and picked up things I need for the party. And after coming back from the store, we had our lunch and I started soaking all the dals and chana. And I thoroughly wash all the dals twice with hot water before soaking them. And now I am cutting the tomatoes, onions, green chilies and ginger and garlic for the gravy. and I already soaked cashews in hot water. I'll cook everything for around 20 to 25 minutes, and after that I'll make sure they are cooled down, and then I'll blend them into a smooth paste. And here I'm peeling and boiling the potatoes and green chana for the samosa chaat. I'll clean my kitchen on the go. I don't know why my brain doesn't work effectively when I have a messy kitchen. And after boiling the potatoes in the same pressure cooker, I boiled the dals for the dal makhani. And after that, I am blending the idli and dosa batters. And after that, I am left with the goodie bags preparation and decorations. I got the names of all my son's friends from his teacher from the daycare. So I am preparing the goodie bags now. I got all the goodie bag stuff from the Dollar Tree. For each kid, I stuffed the bag with a flashcard, pencil, eraser, sharpener, and a Hot Wheels car, party whistle blower, and a glow stick. And in the meanwhile, the gravy mixture had got cooled down and I blended it into a paste. And after that, I started preparing the kofta balls. For that, I crumbled the paneer and I added salt, red chili powder, garam masala powder, turmeric, and I made them into kofta balls. And these are all the preparations that I did day before. And after that, I transferred them into the airtight boxes and I stored them in the fridge. This is a very special day for me. I recollect every little thing from the day I got pregnant to the day I gave birth to him. It is said that along with the child, a mother is also born. Fortunately, my birthday is on the next day of my son's. Since 3 years, we both celebrate our birthdays on the same day.
Hi Kannamma, happy birthday Nana.
Happy birthday!
On his birthday, we woke him up by singing him a birthday song and we surprised him with balloons and gifts. He was very excited to see all the decorations and was overwhelmed by the gifts and love everyone showered. And in the evening, we invited our very close friends for dinner and we both cut the cake and then we had dinner and we had some fun time. And after that, our friends left. And this is how we celebrated our son's third birthday. I hope you like my video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.